Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to guide you through the process of using your Lowe's credit card for online purchases. If you're ready to make shopping at Lowe's more convenient with your credit card, you were in the right place. Let's dive in. Step 1 is logging into your account. First things first, open your web browser and head over to www.lowe's.com. Once you are on the home page, look for the sign in button here, located in the top right corner of the page. Click it to proceed. Then, if you already have a Lowe's account, enter your email and password, then hit sign in. If you are new to Lowe's, you will need to click on create account and fill out the necessary details to set up your account. Now, step 2 is accessing your credit center. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account tab, which should be at the top of your screen. Hover over it, just here. Then a drop down menu will appear. Click on Credit Center. Here you will find various options related to your Lowe's credit card. This is the hub for managing your card, making payments and checking your balances. Step 3 is making a purchase. Now let's make a purchase. Browse through the categories or use the search bar to find the item you want to buy. Just here, like this, you will find like this, and click on the product to view its details. Once you have made your selection, click on add cart, review your cart to ensure everything looks good, then click on checkout. Now step 4 is entering credit card details. At checkout, you will be prompted to enter payment information. Select Lowe's credit card as your payment method. Enter your card number, expiration date and CVV code. Double check your information to avoid any errors. Make sure your shipping address is correct. If it's your first time, you will need to enter your address, otherwise select the previously saved addresses. Now the 5th step is review and complete your order. Before completing your purchase, review your product summary. This is your last chance to make changes if you need it. Once everything looks perfect, click on place order. You should now see a confirmation page with your order number. Congratulations, you have successfully used your Lowe's credit card to make an online purchase. And that's it. Thank you for watching our tutorial on using your Lowe's credit card online. We hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more useful content. Happy shopping at Lowe's.